you're managing so many businesses. Okay, every business are doing great right now, and plus so many team members are there. Do you get stressed? And if you get stressed, how do you manage that? After all, when managing a team, anger and anger management is very important, what I feel. How do you get like manage all these things?
Yeah, firstly, the thing is, I want to tell you and your audience, yes, I run multiple businesses, but I don't have, my businesses are not like large corporations. I have small boutique businesses. So I don't want anybody to feel that I'm a billionaire or whatever. I'm a very simple man, and I've got three very good, profitable businesses, and I love every business, and we've created it from zero. No funding from anywhere, all of that. So, but challenges happen every day, stress happens every day, anger comes every day. But now what happens is you recognize your anger. It is, it doesn't go out of control. I know, oh fine, now I need to sit down with this person and tell them why they're going wrong. I need to call a review meeting, or I need to today not say anything, maybe wait for 2 days. Because the idea is that if I get angry and that if it helps the person, I should get angry every day. But anger doesn't help. So the idea is to explain to the person so that he doesn't make the same mistake. So सबसे पहले I realized now at 45 the anger is because I was not able to control the situation properly. And second is maybe I have hired the wrong person. And third is what can you do? Just fix the problem and make sure it doesn't happen again. And the most important thing that I tell myself is uh, if I'm feeling angry, I'm feeling scared. And I told you no fear 22. So in 2022, every decision that you take has to go through a filter. The filter is it going through the fear lens or the no fear lens? It has to go through the no fear lens. So anger comes from fear. So my fear is, oh, if this doesn't happen, if this, so I try to cut off the fear first. Once the fear goes, the anger reduces. Once the anger reduces, then I take a better decision. But the first thing is I remind myself everywhere. I put a calendar. You should also do it, Sammy. Put
Yeah.
a reminder at 9 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 5 in the evening, and 9 at night. Says no fear, Sammy. How are you feeling right now? And no fear, Sammy. So then you must remind yourself, oh, I'm feeling scared, because we don't know when we slip into our subconscious mind slips into anger, fear, anxiety, all of these things. You have to come back and say, like I was hearing somebody the other day, they said, who's the strongest animal in the jungle? They said maybe the elephant or the rhino or whatever. But they said, who's the king of the jungle? He said, the lion. Not because he's the strongest, because oh, Jor he roars and he says, I'm not scared. Come on, bring it on. So he's the king of the jungle. So the king, you are the king of your life. If you can say that to fear, if you can roar back at fear and say, I'm not scared. And uske baad decision lo. पहले रुक जाओ, देखो कि मैं डर से ले रहा हूं डिसीजन या मैं जोश से ले रहा हूं. डर को जोश में बदलो, चाहे मैंने कहा पंजाबी म्यूजिक लगा के डांस करो या जिम जाओ, जोश लेके आओ अपनी लाइफ एंड देन टेक द डिसीजन.
Yeah, I don't know. I also feels the same. There's a thing मैंने पढ़ा था कहीं पे. Yeah, from 10x rule by Grant Cardone. वहाँ पे ये कहा गया था कि the thing that scares you, that is the indicator you should do that thing.